Building Advantage celebrated National Apprenticeship Day at American Family Field, where 900 high school students from 43 area schools came together to explore the many career possibilities in the union construction trades. Building Advantage's annual construction career fair connects students directly with trade unions and signatory contractors. Through fun activities and informative conversations, students learn about registered apprenticeship and the benefits of a career in the building trades. A special shout out to Governor Tony Evers, Mayor Cavalier Johnson, and Jose Martin from Ironworkers Local 8 for addressing and inspiring the next generation of tradespeople. This event wouldn't have been possible without the support of our partner contractors, unions, and school attendees. We look forward to seeing you again next year.